Yesterday, what we did, anyone can quickly respond in Terraform. We did two things. One is the provider, second one is the resource. Try to understand what is the use of Terraform tool quickly. Infrastructure as a code. Infrastructure as a code. We can create infrastructure on the cloud. How we are creating? Virtually, we are creating infrastructure. How we are creating? With the help of code. Through code, we are creating an infrastructure. See, without internet, can we do such activity? Anyone? Internet connection is not there. Can I create a resource on the cloud without internet?
Not
No,
possible.
not possible. Even code is there, everything is fine. One more thing. Internet is there, their access key, secret key is not there. Without access key, secret key, can we create a resource on the cloud? Without access
No.
key, secret key? No. That means we are knowing some points. Oh, if anyone is not there, we can't able to create. Those things we are left. First point, without internet, we can't create a resource. Even internet is there. See, I'm pointing. Without internet, without internet, we can't create. We can't create a resource. One more thing, without access key and a secret key, also we can't. Also, we can't. Got it or not? Right. Now, today what I am trying to do, yesterday we used provider block. In the same way, we used resource block. Or agree with me? One provider block, one resource block. Yesterday we got created only what is the resource name we got created? Anyone can quickly tell me? There we got created AWS underscore VPC resource. AWS underscore VPC resource. Only VPC we got created. Today we'll try to create one subnet also. AWS underscore. Try to tell me what is the, if I want to create a subnet, the resource block, resource type AWS underscore sub and it is subnet. See, subnet depends upon VPC. Are you agree with me? Subnet is depends upon VPC. My question is, without VPC, without creating a VPC, can I create a subnet directly? There is no father and mother. Child will be there. Some people may say their father and mother got died. That's why children may be there. He may be orphan. He may be orphan. In the same way, here according to Terraform, without VPC, we can't create a subnet. We can't create subnet. Again, you may ask a question. VPC got created manually. See, my question is they asked in one interview. VPC got created created manually. But I wanted to create, I wanted to create subnet, subnet subnet using Terraform, using Terraform. Is it, is it possible or not? Is it possible or not? Or anyone can just guess it, maybe right or wrong. VPC got created manually by using Terraform. What I want to create? I want to create a subnet. May be possible or may not. Just guess it me.
Yes, sir, it is possible. I think so.
100% it is possible. But what to do? But what to do? We need to gather. We need to gather. What you need to gather? We need to gather existing which one? VPC ID. That ID we need to pass to subnet. We need to pass to subnet, then only we can create. Anyway, we'll do that one. We'll try to implement. Today, my intention, I want to create three things. One is once again VPC. Second one is subnet. Subnet. Third one. Third one is security group. Security group. Third one security group. Fourth one key pair. Today, if time permits, we need to implement all the four key pair. Key pair. These things. And now quickly guide me. I am taking today one more new folder. Windows key R, CMD. I am going to E drive. There MD. I am taking Rajesh. There CD Rajesh. That's all. There. According to industry standard, everything we cannot written in single file. Where you want to write it, you can write it appropriate file. What I said, terraform resource, right? Terraform resource file. Every resource file must end with what is the extension? Let's see, notepad provider dot tf. Notepad provider dot tf. Now guide me how to write a provider block. Quickly respond anyone. Whoever know, please try to respond. Provider block start with which keyword? Provider keyword.
Before
Provider keyword. There. What is the name of the provider? AWS. Provider block will take two arguments mainly. What are the two arguments, Karthik? Just you only try to tell me. Already you know little bit Terraform. This is the second time you are listening. One is the region. Are you agree with me? Region. Which region you want to create? AP, AP, AP South one. AP South. Now, till now clear? Now, there you need to specify PRO FILE. Profile. Profile is equal to default. You may ask me, no, I want to write profile is equal to Rajesh. Are you understanding or not? RAJESH. What I want to type? Profile is equal to Rajesh. Profile is equal to Rajesh. Now it won't work. Now we need to modify something. We need to modify something. Anyway, I'm leaving here. I'm leaving here. And now tell me how to create a VPC resource. How to create? Anyone can guide me? Anyone who knows how to create a VPC resource?
Resource.
Resource good. Next,
This is AWS underscore resource with the double comma.
AWS underscore
VPC,
VPC. Yeah, good.
VPC.
Next, you need to write local name. See, I am writing Rajesh VPC. Rajesh underscore VPC. This is like that I am writing. Now what to do? Yesterday, everything is optional. We have seen, right? Somewhere documentation not properly get it. Today I tried, I gather it. Again, once again, in front of you, I'll try to open it. In front of you, I'll try to open it. See AWS underscore VPC resource. Their gathering is important. On internet, everything is possible to get it. You know, I know. But proper documentation is very important. That's what. See, yesterday here you identified which one you identified. Yesterday once you have seen there you read it with the optional, right? See,
Options
Optional. Yeah.
optional. Today what it is there?
Required.
required.
Required. See, ma, finally, just total arguments you try to identify where it is required is there. That my question. That is my question. Once you know that one, our terraform concept is very simple. One is required. Any another area? Any another area? Only one. Which is required? Which is mandatory? What does it mean? Which is mandatory? That means CADR block is mandatory. remaining all are optional. Even without tag also VPC will create or not? Yes, it will create. But without CADR block, we can't create it. I hope you got the clarity. See ma, how to get such type of requirements documentation in the sense you need to check where this is the resource name. After that, you need to see resources must be there. Then only you need to get proper arguments. Or else, if you open some other document, you may not get all are optional. If all are optional means without giving CADR block, we can't create a wikis. I hope everybody understood how to gather the documentation. Once you given this is the resource name, right? This is the resource block, resource type, this one. After that, resources, then HACOR AWS. Now you got the clarity. How to create? Now here tell me which one is just now only we studied, right? We read. What is that one? CIDR underscore. Hmm. This is the right one. Is it right one?
No, sir.
Hmm.
Block one.
Is equal to double quotation. Maybe you may give 10 dot, 20 dot, 0 dot. Even we can give this one also 10 dot 0 dot 0 by 16. That is not a problem. Is it clear for you? Now see here, tags are optional, but even the optional, good procedure is, see, I know you. Maybe I may call you like that. I know you. Your feeling is different. I know your name. You have good feel. Maybe if I call you, hey, something not good. If I call you Madhu, if I call you Rajesh, if I call you something Ramya, if I call you Srinath, you may feel positive. In the same way, here also, first I need to create like this. You may get the clarity. Simply I am creating like this. Shall I close this? Quickly guide me. Even though if I try execute this, it may not work. Why it may not work? My profile name is not the Rajesh. Are you understanding or not? My profile name is not the Rajesh. After 1 minute, it may accept. First of all, I am closing this. There I am going to save it. Now just observe. What is the first command? Quickly guide me. What is the first command? Not this is not our. Now I may go for one more. What is the first command? Ma? Terraform.
In
Validate.
Terraform init, right? Init.
yeah.
Good. Step one. Is it really initializing or not? We need to check. If really initializing, we are very happy. There we given the profile name is profile name which purpose? For access key, secret key purpose. With Rajesh, there is no access key, there is no secret key till now. But anyway, we are checking. Now maybe it is succeeded. Now now we are trying to validate. We are trying to validate. When you apply, then only plan only you may get an error. Up to validation also. See, you may have a doubt. Even though you given profile Rajesh, why it is in it initializing means only downloading AWS related stuff, not the what about resource creation process. That's why I go for Terraform plan. Here I may get an error. Check it. Terraform plan. Now it will check. Now it will check with Rajesh related. That Raj, am I getting an error, right? Terraform encountered an error while generating this plan. Error failed to get shared config profile Rajesh. See what it is saying. Hey, I am not able to understand who is Rajesh. Rajesh Rajesh. Now shall we go and change my profile? Shall we go and change? Observe Windows key. Windows key. Please mute it. Windows key. Now, where should I go? Where should I go? Anyone can guide me? Where should I go? I need to go to HP. HP. Within the HP, somewhere within the first row, third column. Anyone can read that one? First row, third column. First row,
Dot
third
AWS.
column. Dot AWS. When I may get dot AWS? By default, it is available in every operating system, or once if you do something, then only you may get it. Anyone can tell me? Check it in your system, may be there. Check it, some other system may not be there. Why it may be there, why it may not be there. Anyone can quickly respond?
You can
Anyone?
configure AWS input.
AWS or AWS CLI, ma? Once you
AWS
install
CL.
it, yeah, once you install AWS CLI, you may get it this one. Once you configure AWS configure, you may have profile. Check it here. Config, then credentials. See, I'm trying to open here credentials. I'm trying to open with, I'm opening with the notepad. See, check it here. Is there any name Rajesh? Quickly respond, anyone. Is there any name with Rajesh? No. What I am trying to do? I'm copying this one. Control C. I think this is the right one, or upper one is the right one. I think this is the right one. Okay, Control V. Now there I'm trying to add. Wherever default is there, there RAJESS Rajesh. This is the interview question. Please everybody try to understand. See, without giving access key, secret key, how can I get it access key, secret key with the help of profile, with the help of profile argument. Now I'm trying to close it. I'm saving. Now quickly respond. I'm trying to apply. What is the terraform plan? Check it. Plan may work out. Plan is worked, right? Plan is worked. Now I'm trying to apply. Now I'm trying to apply. Once you apply, I'm giving yes. Now check it. VPC got created, but without tag name. Check it. Tag name we got it or not. Tag name we got it or not. Where should I go? Where in south? Where should I go? In VPC. In VPC. I'm in Mumbai, AP South one VPC. I'm having one extra VPC, you know it. One extra VPC, you know it. There I'm going to see See, VPCs, your VPCs. See, just now we got created. What was the CADR block? Everybody know it, right? Which one I provided? 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot. Got it or not? By 16. Is there any tag name? Anyone can quickly respond. Is there any tag name? No, right? Now we need to provide tag name. We need to provide tag name. Now I think Srinath Garu, you only tell me. I want to provide tag name. What to do? What to do? Now notepad provider dot tf. There only I'm writing a resource. Now I need to provide tag name. What to do here? What is the argument?
Tag.
Tag or tags?
Tag.
Tag only or tags?
Tag.
Tags is equal to tags is equal to their name. Observe carefully. Name is equal. Which name you want to provide for that tag? For that VPC, which name
Uh,
you want to provide, Karthi? Maybe Karthi VPC.
Rajesh.
Karthi underscore VPC. Please understand here, many people may have a doubt. This one must be equal to this one is the wrong answer. Maybe this may be different, this may be different, but each understanding only we are giving both are same. For each understanding only we are giving both are same. But I am giving different one Karthi, different one Karthi. Now what I am trying to do, control S. Now check it. I'm asking a question. Now want to add what you may get it once you apply once again, what you may get it here, want to add or want to change or want to destroy, what you may get it, please respond.
Want to add.
Want to change. Why want to change, Srinath garu? Why want to? Already BPC got created, right? BPC
Yes.
got
Yeah.
created. You constructed your building. Building construction is over. There are only
Yes.
small change. Small change means you won't demolish, right? You won't
Yeah.
demolish. You need to change it. Are you agree with me? Now
Yes.
see, even I am going to plan. At least you can understand. I am going for plan. You check it here. What it is saying. What it is saying. A zero to add. Why? Zero to add means no resource to add. Resource already got created, right? One to change. Which one is trying to change? Now observe here. Which one is trying to change? There see tags. Which name? Name is Karthik BPC. Now I am trying to terraform apply. Terraform apply. APPLY. Now once I am giving confirmation, now I am going to documentation. That means in that cloud, I am going to refresh it. Now check it. Karthi VPC. Karthi got it or not? Now Karthi, just I am clicking this VPC Karthi. There I am going to tags Karthi. In this tags, now check it. In this tags, what is the name of the tag? This VPC belongs to development environment. I need to specify environment. ENV dev. ENV dev. Anyone can guide me? There here tags, not only name Karthi, I want to get here. See, everybody try to understand. Manage tags, please observe. Manage tag, please observe here. env, add new tag. Env, what is the environment here? Please observe. Dev like this. I want to get like this. Anyone can guide me? Anyone can guide me? Now I am canceling this. Once if I got created, I need to get through terraform. Through terraform code, I need to get that tag. Till now only one tag is there. Why till now only one tag is there? Within the tags, how many tag names I specified? How many tag names I specified? I hope
Only one.
everybody understood, right? Only one.
Yes.
Now I need to provide one more tag name. Even I given the rule, right? Which rule I specified here? Which rule I specified here? Env is equal to double quotation. That's all. Is it easy or complex? See, Kubernetes code and Terraform code very nearer. In Kubernetes, what we specified, there env colon, that's all right. This is the Kubernetes code. Got it or not? But according to Terraform code, just equal to. The small difference. That's why I said if you know one area very well, other area very easy to learn. Ah, shall I go and apply it once again? If I control S first, don't forget. If you forget that one, no zero to add, zero to change, zero to destroy. Now again, what you may get it? One to change. Are you agree with me? One to change.
Yeah.
Terraform apply. Terraform apply. Again, you may get it one to change. Check it. One to change. One more environ here within the tag section. Within the tag section, which one is adding? Environment is dev. Environment is dev. I am going to give confirmation. Yes, confirmation. Yes. Now quickly checking. Refresh it. Refresh it. See in the tag section. See in the tag section. Just refer it. Am I get it or not? Am I get it or not? Is it good for us? Now see, manually I am trying to delete Srinathar here. What I am trying to delete? Manage tags, manage tags. Now what I am trying to do, here I removed. Even this one also I removed. This one also I removed. Now what I am trying to say, save it. Save it. What happens we need to observe. What happens? Now Terraform apply. Now what it is saying? What it is saying? One to change. Why it is saying one to change, Srinath garu? Hey, you specified that I removed, right? There I removed. Which one I removed?
Yeah.
These two. What it is telling? Hey, there you removed.
Actually,
Again I need to add it. It is telling what? There you removed. What I am trying to do? I need to add this. Shall I go and add it? It is saying like that. Shall I go and add it? We are telling to that. Just after this, again you go and refresh it. Again you go and refresh it. See, I am showing different permutations and combinations. Different permutations and combinations. Now check it on the tags section. Again, I got it right. See, what finally you want to understand is who is having final activity, configuration file or actual cloud. Configuration file having the final activity. That is the desired one. Try to understand, Srinath. This is the actual resource. This is actual. My cursor is wherever moving. I'm in my account, right? Where I am in, that is the actual resource. But configuration file is the desired. Priority goes to desired, not priority goes to actual. You got the clarity? Is it clear for you? What configuration file says, that one only it will implement. Now try to understand. Here see two tags are there, right? Quickly try to answer it. Two tags are there. This is the actual or desired one. Please respond. This is the actual one or desired one. Anyone? Is it actual or desired? My cursor
I think
wherever
design.
moving. This is actual. This is actual. Cloud means try to understand where the resource got created on the cloud, right? Where the resource got created, cloud. That is the cloud resources are actual. This is the blind notation. Everybody can understand, right? Everybody can understand, right? Where we are creating the actual resource in our account only. Is it got created or not? Yes, it got created. This is the actual. Desired. Desired means configuration file. Now I am going to desired. Please observe. This is the desired one. This is the desired one. This is the desired one. This is the desired. In this desired, what I am trying to do is I removed this one. Priority goes to desired only. Here I removed something, right? Based on this only, their resource will be modification. Modification happens with the help of whom? With the help of terraform configuration file. See, in this file, one line is removed, right? Or agree with me? Anyone? Yes or no? We got removed one line.
Yes.
Control yes. Now what I am trying to do? I am trying to apply. What happens? Observe. Till now, you are knowing one way direction. Which way direction? Desired to actual. Srinath Garu, here read this. Something already there, that ones you are removing. Where you removed? In the desired. Based on the desired only, actual resources modification happens. Actual resource modification really happens or not, we'll check it. Maybe after 3 to 4 classes, I may go with two-way communication. Till now, I am showing only one-way communication. Desired saying actual implemented. Actual implemented. Now, once again, I am trying to go there. Where I am going? In the actual. Where I am going? In the actual. I am refreshing. Now, check it and confirm me. Is it available or not? Is it in that tags? In that tags, that name tag is there or not? Quickly respond.
No.
No. In the same way, in the even see here in the your VPCs, even see here, name is not there. Name is not there. But some other story is there. I am not touching today. We are in the beginning stage. We are in the beginning stage. But I may give with graphical representation today. But I may implement on maybe after 3 to 4 days because of we are in the very initial stage. Now, what I am trying to explain you in the sense. See, this is the Terraform configuration file, at least you know. How can I say this is the Terraform configuration file? This source code is there. Code is there, right? Code is there. Code is there means I am doing like this. This is the code. This is also code lines. You may try to understand. These are the code lines. These are the code lines. How can I understand these are the code lines means? You can easily tell. You can easily tell. I'm trying to give one name. Maybe assume main dot tf. tf means terraform. tf means terraform configuration file. Whatever you specified here, whatever you specified here, that will reflect on where? Anyone try to give me the answer? Where it will reflect? On the real cloud. On the real cloud. Are you agree with me? On the real cloud. On the real cloud. On the real cloud, which got created, assume this is my VPC. This is my VPC. Whatever you modify here, only that will reflect on here. What is my question is, if you modify something here, if you modify something here, if I modify, that may not reflect here, that may not reflect here. Till now, only one way, desired to actual. Desired, this is the desired one, this is the actual one. Is it clear or not? Tell me. Is it clear or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
In future, I may go with the two-way communication. Here, if you touch, there also it will modify. But in general scenario, we can't apply, we can't work on that. Only I may give the answer here today, where we can apply such type of implementation in the sense, if you want it, we can go in production. In production environment. In production environment, sometimes you may modify little changes. Those changes we can apply. Here I'm giving the technical answer, but I'm not implementing. By using, try to understand here, life cycle, life cycle policies. Here, if you want to modify in the configure, if you want to modify in the real resource, if you want to reflect on here, what to do? What is the answer? Life cycle policies. Life cycle policies. How to apply life cycle policies? I am giving syntax only. LIFE, life cycle, open curly brace, closing curly brace. Here you need to specify that specific policy name. That specific policy. Only three policies will be there. Three policies. Three policies will be there. Three policies will be there. We'll discuss. Try to know this point. THER. I hope you got the clarity. If you want to touch your actual resource by using which policy? Life cycle policy. Life cycle policy. Now good. Now what is the second one? I want to create a subnet. I want to create a subnet. Subnet is dependent upon whom? VPC. Without VPC, can I create subnet? Everybody know. Everybody know. Not possible to create. But without VPC, we can't create a subnet. First, what we are creating VPC, then what we are creating subnet. Quickly guide me. Quickly guide me. There I am going to my code, my configuration. Now see, I go for what is that? Notepad, notepad. What is that? Provide, right? Provide. I said one standard, I am apply standard. See, I am cutting this code. I am not writing here. I am not writing here. Control X, please try to understand. Which code is available here? Only provided related code. That's why I am closing this. Yes. Now what I am trying to do, there I am giving to notepad, okay, VPC dot EF. Only VPC related stuff. VPC related stuff. Control B. Is it clear for you? Only VPC related stuff. Are you agree with me? What is the name of the tag name? Name is equal to which name I want to give? Maybe Rajesh. Rajesh. Rajesh underscore VPC. Sriyad garu, till now clear, right? One more file. One more file. Yes. What I want to create it? I want to create a subnet. Again, subnet. Maybe one assume. Subnet 1 dot tf. Subnet 1 dot tf. Now guide me. Now guide me. Anyone know it something? Now what to write? What to do right? What I want to write here? Please quickly.
resource.
Good resource. Resource. AWS
verification,
underscore
AWS subnet.
subnet. Now see my underscore pub or my Rajesh underscore pub underscore subnet like that. Subnet. We may give like this. That is your own wish. Whatever the name you can give it. What to do here? Anyone can? What are the arguments I need to specify here?
CID box.
Which one, ma? Who
CIDR
told?
box.
Who told?
From
Yeah, before that, one more thing you need to add it, ma, which is the,
VPC.
yeah, which one? Just guess it. See, already I told, ma, this is subnet. Are you agree with me? Subnet depends on whom? Subnet is
VPC.
depending upon VPC. How Terraform code, how Terraform argument they written. VPC, VPC underscore ID is equal to VPC underscore ID. Are you agree with me? See, Srinath Gar,
Yes.
without VPC ID, can I able to create subnet?
No,
No. See, their link up is there, right? Without link, here link is there. Linking is there or not? Without VPC ID, how can I create subnet? It is asking. Now tell me, see, two ways I can create Srinath Gar. First way, I am the account holder. I know my account access. I am the admin. I am very happily go with this. Till now, I think this is our VPC ID, right? This is
yes,
only. Are you agree with me?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I'm copying. This is not the good process. This is not the recommended one. But anyway, I'm trying to give. Till now clear? Till now clear? I'm only one person working with Terraform. This one also good, but maybe 2 to 3 employees may be there. This is not the right procedure. But anyway, it is good one. One more thing, tell me. One more thing. What is that, ma? CIDR BLOCK block. Which CIDR block? Tell me VPC CIDR or subnet CIDR?
Subnet CIDS.
Subnet CIDR. Here, both are must be same or both are different, ma. Both are must be same in the sense based on main VPC CIDR block. Based on VPC CIDR block, it will create, or maybe different CIDR blocks I may give. Must match with VPC. 10 dot 0 dot 1 dot 0 by 24. Is it valid or not? Quickly respond, anyone.
Is
Why
valid.
is it valid? Suppose Srinath Garu, I am giving like this. Is it valid or not? Yes or no? Is it valid or not?
no. I think actually
Huh. Okay.
CIDR block starts with 10.0.0.1. Zero.
See, I am telling maybe wrong perspective. See, wife and husband look like Americans. Maybe child is look like a maybe Negro. Maybe sometimes you may have a doubt, right? In the same way, here also what it is having. There 10 is there, here 11 is there. Matching or mismatching? Mismatching.
Mismatching.
Must
Yes.
match. This is the must match. But you may ask, there 10.0.0.0 is there. Some people may have a doubt. Why have you provided here 1? Why don't you give here 0? Some people may have a doubt, right? Why we are giving here is 1. I am trying to explain quickly. I am trying to explain quickly. Everybody try to understand. Now see here. Where is my cursor movement? Now here is. This is our VPC. This is our VPC. Yes, good. I am going to create at least 3 subnets. Subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3 like that. See, subnet is the part of the net. At least you got the clarity. These 3 subnets are under the part of main net. Are you agree with me? This main net is nothing but which is the main net? That is the VPC. At least you got the clarity or not? VPC. What is the VPC CADR block? Anyone tell me? Already we written right? VPC CADR. VPC cider block. What is the cider block? 10 dot 0 dot 0 10 dot 0 dot 0 by 16. Is it clear for you? That means we may create 65,535, 65,535, 535. Which one you can create it? These many IPs are possible to create. These many IPs are possible to create. Now try to understand here. First subnet, what I am trying to give is 10.0.1.0 by 24. What does it mean? 32 minus 24, 8. 32 minus 24, 8. 2 power 8. That means 256. 256 IPs. Like that, how many subnets I am able to create? This is, quickly respond, what is the second one? 10.0.2.0. Like that, the last one, anyone can guess it? What is the last one? What is the last one? 10.0.254 ma. 254.0. 254.0 by what? By what? 24. It won't allow 255. It won't allow 255. It will allow up to 254. You may create 254 subnets. 254 subnets. But in general scenario, 255 into 255, anyone can tell me? 250 or 256 into 256. 256 into 256. That is equal to 65,536. 65,536. I hope everybody understood. 65,536. Is it clear or not? Respond. Same scenario, there we got applied. Same scenario, there we got applied. Is it clear? Little clarity, have you got it or not? In my AWS classes also, I think everybody got the clarity. Now, my code is completed, yes or no? Am I provided subnet name? Yes or no? Notepad subnet1.tf. Notepad subnet 1. Did I save or not? I didn't say. Yes or no? Is there any notepad? Close it. Where is the notepad? No, I think. Now quickly respond. I'm going to Rajesh. There subnet 1. What to do here? What to do here? Resource. I think why it didn't say AWS underscore subnet. Subnet. What is the Rajesh subnet? Rajesh underscore subnet. Subnet. There I am going to give like this. Now what I specified here, open curly brace. There I said like this, right? What I need to enter here? Quickly respond. VPC underscore ID is equal to. I need to specify this. And one more thing, what I am specifying here. Am I audible or not? Quickly respond. I'm not getting any
Yeah,
voice.
audible.
Yeah,
Audible, audible.
good. Now, what I need to provide here, CIDR underscore BLOCK block is equal to. Now, which CIDR block I'm specifying? 10.0.1.0 by 24. 24. Now, there VPC ID, I got it manually, I got it right. First, I need to apply manual. Then only I'll change it. Then only I'll change it. This is good, but not the industry standard. Why industry is not recommended this one? Just we may understand quickly. Now one more thing. What to do here? Whether you are interested or not, we need to give tag name. Got it or not? Why you need to give tag name? Tag names are easy to recognize. Only for easy to recognize. Whether tag name is there or not. 100% valid. How to specify? Now tell me tag or tags. Tag or
Tags.
tags? Tags.
Tags.
Because of we are specifying multiple tags. Multiple tags. Now tell me name. Which name you need to give? Rajesh. Rajesh underscore subnet. Subnet. This is the way I need to. One more one also. This subnet belongs to environment. Which environment it belongs to? env is equal to which environment? This is also belongs to dev. This is my intention. Is it clear for you? Like this we can specify. Now I am closing this. Now I am closing this. What I am trying to do is I'm going to test it. How can I test this? Terraform plan, Terraform apply. Directly I'm giving apply. Is it applicable or not? Yes. Now why system is saying one to add, one to change quickly? Anyone respond?
One,
Anyone?
one
One
subnet
to
and
add,
one
one to change.
CADR is going to
Yeah.
create.
Somewhere something is modified, right? Actually,
Yeah, yes.
lengthy name was there. There I shorten Rajesh VPC, Rajesh underscore something something. There I written. Got it or not? Yes, I am getting. Yes, I am getting. Now quickly check it. What happened? Just refresh it. Now we are going to their tags. First, we need to see the VPCs, your VPCs. What was the name? Rajesh VPC. We are very happy. Now I'm going to subnets. What is our subnet name? There, observe it. What is our subnet name? This subnet, Rajesh subnet, having subnet ID. This subnet ID, depending upon which ID? VPC ID. VPC ID. I hope everybody understood right. Understood right.
Yes.
Unfortunately, VPC got deleted. I may create new VPCs. Vinodgara, are you observing? Unfortunately, we got deleted VPC. I got created new VPC. That VPC ID may change or may not change. Anyone respond? Once I may remove VPC, existing VPC. I may create new VPC. That VPC ID may change or may not change. That may change.
May
That may
change.
change. For that, subnet also may not create. For that, what industry people specified is, hey, don't go for static, you should go with dynamic. Don't go for static, you should go with dynamic. You may ask me, how to specify dynamic nature? Shall I go for that? How to specify dynamic nature? First, you need to open Terraform, not provider. That is the VPC. You know VPC, right? VPC. In our VPC code, now try to observe everybody. Resource block, resource name. This is the resource name. This is the local name. These two things you need to copy. Please try to understand. Very simple way. Am I copied or not? Once if you copied, just close it. Once you close it, try to open subnet. Try to open subnet. Within the subnet, wherever VPC ID is there, there you need to copy it. Wherever double quotations are there, try to remove it. Am I removing double quotations? Yes or no? Wherever two words, right? Two words combination. Are you agree with me? AWS underscore VPC is different. Rajesh underscore VPC is different. Are you agree with me or not? Quickly respond.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. How do I separation? By using dot. By using dot. You dot me. Like that. You dot. Maybe you know email ID. Maybe Rajesh at the rate gmail.com. Dot. Finally, dot ID. Dot ID. This total thing, you can call it as an attribute. This total thing, you can call it as an attribute. ATTRIBUT. I hope everybody understood, right? This total thing, you can call it as this total thing. This is nothing but you can call it as what? Anyone respond? Left hand side, whatever you give, those are what? Those are what? Here, see, I'm writing this hash
Arguments.
VPC underscore ID 100% exactly is an argument. It is an argument. Yeah, terminology is very, very important. You got the clarity or not? Am I clear or not? Tell me. Now, shall I go and check it once again? Is it really working or not? Is it really working or not? Now, click on save. Click on save it. Again, you need to apply. Terraform apply. Now it is saying 0 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Why it is saying 100% matched, right? 100% matched. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Now, what I am trying to do is, there I may go for Terraform. Terraform, T-R-R-A-F-R-M, Terraform. After this, I may go enter it, Terraform, Terraform, okay, Terraform state list. I am giving Terraform state list, Terraform state list. Now, any one only I want to recreate. Any one only I want to recreate. I don't want both. I don't want to destroy. Both I don't want to recreate. Only specific one. You ask me which one you want to recreate. Which one you want to recreate. See, when you can go for such scenario, I may explain. See, 100 employees are working in your organization. Maybe sometimes you may maybe remove in the sense you may boost 1 or 2 persons. Why you may maybe boost 1 or 2 persons? Maybe they may not work properly. They are doing some internal things. Got it or not? In the same way, here assume 100 resources are there. If I do like this, what it may happen? What it may happen? See, I may destroy it, I may recreate it. Again, quickly I may destroy it. Terraform destroy destroy. Here, enter it. What in it spelling problem? Des
Spelling.
trra
TROY.
m what ma destroy. Good. Troy. There I may go for hyphen auto hyphen approv. Ma, this is nothing but automatic, automatic approval, automatic approval. That means auto approve approv. It is removing both resources. See, two destroyed, two destroyed. Destroy happen or not? Destroy happen or not? Now my question is,
Yes.
I want to recreate once again. I want to recreate once again. Now check it. Apply. It may create two to add. Two to add. Here also I can go like this. Now I may go some other way. We can understand. There auto approv. But industry people never go auto approve. But as a learner, we are going auto approve. Is it clear now? See, Terraform state list. Terraform state list. Check it. Now my question, I want to destroy only one. I want to remove this one or this one. You tell me, either first one or second one. Madhu, you tell me which one you want to destroy. Only
First
one you
one.
want to. First one. A Terraform, just you need to apply taint. You don't have the right to destroy specific one, but you can remove it. That is also possibilities there. But according to industry procedure is Terraform taint. Which one you want to taint it? Which one you want to taint it? This specific resource. This specific resource. This specific resource. Now I'm giving the definition of taint, man. What it is? I think this is not the right one. This is not copied properly. Not copied properly. There control C, there control V. First, I am giving the definition of taint because of same taint concept is there in Kubernetes also. In both areas, answer is same. What is taint? TANT, taint. Marking, marking a resource for recreation. Recreation. What does it mean? Have I understood the sentence or not? Marking a resource for recreation. What does it mean? Recreation means start means what? Restart means what? Already stopped. We are starting. Already started. We are stopping and again started. Restarted. Are you agree with me? Is there any other meaning? If any other meaning is there, try to tell me. Got it or not, ma? Taint. Taint. Is it clear for you? Taint means, taint means maybe dictionary meaning REPL, repel. Repel means not attract, not at ATT or ACT. This is the Kubernetes statement, but Terraform statement is this one. What is the Terraform statement? Tainting means marking a resource for recreation. Now check it what happening. If I press enter, what system is telling? A resource so and so resource instance AWS underscore subnet, Rajesh subnet has been marked as tainted. What I said? Marking a resource for recreation. Now what I am trying to do? Terraform apply, auto approve, check it, what happening? How many resources generally it may create? See what it is saying. What it is saying? One to add, one to destroy. Why system is saying one to add, one to destroy? Anyone can quickly. How many resources I specified as tainted? How many resources I specified as only one? Please
One.
observe that one is destroyed first. That one is destroyed first. Same that one is recreated once again. That's why one to add, one to destroy. Is it clear for you? One to add, one to destroy. One to add, one to destroy. Shall I extend 10 more minutes? Anyone? Based on our willing only, I can extend. Can I extend 10 more minutes? Yes or no?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, good. Now, till now, what you did, ma? According to my theory, there somewhere I given 4 points, right? Somewhere I given 4 points. Anyone tell me what are the 4 points? What are the 4 points? VPC, subnet.
Subnet,
What is the next one?
security
Security
group,
group.
Security group.
people.
I think everybody know manually how to create a security group. Ma Madhu, you only try to interact with me. How to create security group, ma? That is your wish. You try to respond. If you don't know, I may ask other one. How to create a security group? See, once you type here EC2, ma, I am giving just a clue. Maybe sometimes you may forget, right? Once you type EC2, maybe click on here. Their instance related stuff is there. If you go for left side pane, somewhere security group, one's headline is there. Network and security. Have you identified, right?
Yes, sir.
Have you identified? Click on here, from hereafter, we can give clarity. Now, security group, what to do, ma? Quickly respond.
Create, create security.
Very good. Now, what to do here? What to do here? Now, I need to add one rule, right? Which rule I want to specify? That I may go for SSH, ma. Maybe I may go for three things. SSH. Yeah, good. What is the port number 22? There I need to specify anywhere IP4. Good. One more. Your wish, ma. One more rule. Tell me whatever you wish. There's check it here. That is your wish, ma. Based on that only I can implement. There are so many protocols are there. Shall I go with POP3 at least? POP3
Yes, yes, sir.
110. How many of you know the meaning and purpose of POP3? Who will know POP3 at least? In within 10 seconds, we need to finish that POP3. Post office protocol. Post office protocol. Post office protocol. That means email communication. Email communication. Got it or not? Mail receiving. Mail receiving can happen with the help of POP3. Anyway, here we are learning. That's why I am going to here. Again 00. How many rules I specified? How many protocols I specified? Two protocols. Got it or
Two
not?
protocol.
Two ports I published. That is easy, right? Two port numbers I got published. Are you agree with me? Yes. I may
Yes.
try to create security group. It may ask one name, right? Security group name. At least can I give security group name? Yes, mandatorily you need to give, right? Security. Maybe I am giving Madhu MADHU underscore SC. Madhu SC. Description is optional. Description is optional, but anyway I am providing here Control C, Control V. Next, what to do? There, see, Security group depends upon VPC. Are you agree with me? It is taking
Yeah.
default VPC, I think default VPC. Is it clear for you? Is it clear for you? Default VPC. There right. See 172. That's what I said. Is the default VPC. Default VPC. Now same way here. Same way. Just I am trying to save it. In the similar way, I need to create our own security group. Our own security group with the help of Terraform. You know little bit Terraform, you can write your own or else Terraform is providing documentation, right? Maybe I may write here my own. At least you can understand. But in future, I may go and get it. Now what to do here? Please respond. DIR. I may go notepad, secure security underscore or security group dot tf security group dot tf. Shall I press enter? Yes, I got press enter. And now anyone can quickly respond. What is the thing I need to write it here? What is the first line, my mother? Again, resource. Whatever you want to do it, resource. What is the resource name? AWS underscore
Underscore
security
security.
Group.
underscore group. GRO UP group. Now I remember some points. In the same way, in future you need to tell. See, I may go and gather from Terraform documentation. Maybe 20 lines will be there. Those 20 I remembered. In the same way, you try to remember. That is my wish. Now, what is the first line we need to provide here? First line is nothing but name. Which name you want to provide for security group name? My security group name is AWS security group and local name you need to specify, right? What is the local name? There Madhu or I am giving Sri underscore SC for our understanding purpose. This is the local name. This is resource block. This is the resource name. This is the resource block. This is the resource type. This is nothing but local name. See what I am doing? I am copying this. Control C. Control V. Step 1 is clear. Statement line. Argument 1 is clear. Argument 2. Description. DESCRIPT. Description. What is the description? 3SG. 3SG. 3 underscore SG for opening for 22 comma 80 maybe 22 110 port publish port publish. Are understanding or not? Just I am writing only description. Then you need to remember two things. One is ingress. Ingress is the internal block. One more ingress, one more internal block. INGRESS. How to remember? I am giving. Next, you go for egress. 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 Is there any difficulty here? Are understanding or not? I am creating one resource name. What is the resource name? AWS and security group. What is my local name? This one. Just what is my tag name? This is like a tag name. Now, ingress, that is the incoming traffic. Egress is the outgoing traffic. But try to understand here. Every ingress having four arguments, mandatory arguments. Now, anyone can guess it. What are the four mandatory arguments? At least I am asking to you. Whether you are maybe following internet or you are following documentation, whatever it is. Just you try to answer it. You try to answer it. Every ingress having four arguments, I said, right? That is the from port. From port. What is the from port? 22 only. Are you agree with me? What is the to port? 2 underscore PORT port. What is the to port? To port also 22. Which protocol you want to specify? PROTOCOL. Protocol. But generally protocols belongs to which protocols? Anyone can guess it? TCP. Protocol is
TCP.
next CADR underscore BLOCK. My yes is the right answer or not? At least guess it, ma. CADR blocks is the right one. CADR block is the right one.
Block.
Blocks. Yes.
S is there or S is not there?
S is there.
CADR,
S
S
is
is
not
there.
there.
S is there, brother. 0.0.0 by 0 double quotation. Okay, now we'll check it. Is it right or wrong? Okay, no worries. In the same way, there down arrow, down arrow, control C. Control V. For which port? Which port you need to publish? 110, right? From port 110. This is for whom? This is for which one? There, which protocol there we have seen? IMAP, what POP3? POP3. This is TCP assume CADR blocks. CADR blocks. Egress. Anyone can tell me what is the from port? I'm writing manually. From port. From underscore port is equal to 0. To underscore port is equal to 0. Their protocol ma PROTO. I think I'm asking to Siva. What is the protocol, Siva? What is the protocol? Double quotation, double quotation. Anyone?
All traffic.
All traffic in the sense -1. This is the thing you need to understand. This is the entire question. How to specify all traffic? How to specify all traffic with the help of protocol? Which protocol? This is -1.
-1.
-1. Yeah, good. Again, you need to specify CADR. CADR underscore BLOCKS blocks is equal to there 0.0.0.0 by 0. Now you need to check. I think everything is fine. Curly braces properly I may provided or not. Check it there. Beginning is there. Ingress open close is there. Ingress open close is there. Egress open close is there. Yes. I think I am not wrong. We may check it. Is it valid or not? How to check it? Is it valid or not? Terraform. Terraform. You never apply. You don't apply Terraform. Apply Terra Terraform plan only. Terraform plan. Plan will say either right or wrong. Either right or wrong. See, now I hope nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong. What it is expecting. Why want to add? Why it is not giving maybe 3 to 4 items? Those are all already added, right? Finally, you go for what? Terraform apply. The hyphen auto hyphen app rov approve. Now check it. Now quickly going there. Where I need to check security groups. What is the name of the group? See somewhere Sri SG is there or not? Sri
Yes.
SG. Yes, click on here. Click on here Sri SG. Now see the inbound rules. See inbound rules. How many protocols have you port published? 22 110. In the same way, we need to see egress also may be there. Egress. Where is the outbound rules? Outbound rules. All traffic representation we can specify it with see protocols all right. What it represents? What to give there? -1.
And
-1. I hope everybody understood right. Here, here, like me, you need to practice once, twice, thrice. Once, twice, thrice. I am practicing lot more. I am not writing automatically. I am practicing a lot more. If you practice it in industry, maybe in your company, you may get maybe good, what about good interaction? Maybe your manager or some other also, they may feel, oh, you are the intelligent person. Once we apply hard work. Okay, thank you. Till now, anyone facing any difficulty? My anyone is not installed in our system, try to interact with me. I may available up to 10 or 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. I think Karthi, I think you are facing some
Uh,
problem. I think you intimated, right?
yes, sir.
Is it sorted or not?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
No, no. Problem got cleared or not? That I am asking.
Cleared, sir.
Okay, good. Like that, you need to check it once, twice, thrice. For
సార్ ఇప్పుడు
everything,
మనం
tell me.
కోడ్ అంతా నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో రాసాం కదా సార్, విజువల్ స్టూడియోలో కూడా కోడ్ రాసి రన్ చేయొచ్చు.
Yes, Karthi. We can write it. We can write it. See, even Karthi, here for your clarity purpose, I am writing everything on the notepad or maybe VS Code, right? But in industry, never write even single line, Karthi. In industry, we never write even single line. What to do? Again, maybe wait for 3 more minutes. I may stop the session. Within that, I may show you what I am trying to do. Observe. In the real time, your duty is, suppose you want to create security group, right? See what I am doing. aws underscore security group, simply this one. Automatically security group terraform, automatically is it providing or not? Your duty is simply clicking, that's all. After clicking, there we written as a faculty, I said like that. But see here, everything system is giving clearly. System is giving clearly. See what they given, are observing or not?
Yes,
See,
sir.
same. Your duty is simply you go for copy. Maybe I am applying once again. Now see what I am trying to do. There I am writing notepad Karthi underscore securi security underscore group group dot tf. Karthi, nothing is there. Only for understanding purpose, I written line by line, word by word. But in real time, we never write anything. Everything is there. See, according to your company standard, you need to change here this line. This, got it or not? Allo TLS, transport layer security. That is the security group. Same naming convention is there or not? Even I specified, right? VPC ID is also required. But without VPC also, we can create it. Is it clear or not? Here it won't work out. What to do here? Anyone can quickly respond. What is our VPC name? Anyone can quickly? AWS underscore VPC dot. What is the name of the VPC? I think Rajesh. Anyone? Rajesh. Rajesh underscore VPC, right? Am I clear? Correct or not?
Yes,
Anyone
sir.
quickly? VPC dot ID. Karthi, this knowledge you need. If you
Okay.
don't know this knowledge, it won't create. Now check it here. Within a minute, it will create. Within a minute, it will create. This is CIDR block, CIDR IPv6 they are using, no problem. Here CIDR IPv4 they are using, no problem. Like that, we can create multiple things. Anyway, I am trying to check it. Is there anything going wrong? We'll try to implement other way. Now Terraform apply. See what they are saying. AWS underscore VPC main underscore somewhere also something is there. There where it is the problem, Karthi. In line 21 also we need to modify. In line 21. This is the, in this way we can check it and we can modify. In this way we can check it and we can modify. Now in 22 line, see check it in 22 line also. There somewhere they are using. This is also Karthi. Here also you need to specify like this. VPC main. They are CIDR block, right? CIDR block. AWS underscore VPC. They are 10 dot 0 dot 2 dot 0 by 24. Is it okay? In the same way, any other area? Any other area? Any other area? VPC and security group ingress rule. Ingress rule. Ingress. Okay, AWS on security group. Their ID. What is the ID here? Quickly respond. This security group ID. This AWS security group ID. Yes. AWS security group. Allos. Yes, correct. Okay. Any other area? I think this one is also right. This one is also right. I hope here what I changed. CADR IPv4. CADR IPv4. Okay, anyway. Now, closing this, these modifications you need to check it, you need to modify it. Such knowledge you require. Now, terraform apply. Again, it is giving something wrong. 10.0
Security group also we have to change.
security group also, ma? There, observe, ma. There, observe. What to do here? Now, tell me. VPC ID is good. Their CADR block double quotation is mandatory, ma. I think that may be the problem. We check it. See, such knowledge only we require. If you write your own, because of you know it, you won't get any error. But your gathering means you need to check it, right? You need to check it. What is correct, what is not correct, why is giving wrong thing. One more area problem. Now please respond. AWS underscore VPC dot main IPv6 CIDR block. Till now you don't know what is that? CIDR IPv6, right? Till now we don't know what to do. I am trying to apply this one. Notepad. Please observe where is the IPv6 representation, ma? Where is IPv6? Please respond. This is IPv6, right? Or agree with me or not? We don't know IPv6. Karthi, we don't know IPv6. What I am doing, observe. Here I removed. That's all. If you don't know, remove it. Don't worry. There is no problem. In Terraform, if you remove one thing, it won't fear. It won't give any error also. Not a problem. Again, one more area, some other area, CIDR, IPv6 is there. Where it is there, ma? Check it and tell me. Where it is there. One more IPv6. Quickly identify one more IPv6. There, IPv6.
There only.
Yeah, there only. What I need to do, this one, I need to remove it. This line. Delete. Any other area? Quickly respond. Wherever IPv6 is there, try to remove it. That's all. Just check step by step. After getting an error, you try to modify it. Again, getting some other error. With a VPC security group ingress rule, allow TLS IPv6 Karthi security group. There we written our own VPC, right? Our own VPC. That is the problem. That VPC also you need to get it from internet. Then only it will match Karthi. Are understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Once you copy paste
Understand.
it, that relevant code again you need to gather. That's why people may write their own. Their own means you know your stuff, right? Generally, you know your problem, how to resolve your problem, you know it. Based on that, you need to modify. Based on that, you need to modify. But understanding or not? Similar things we can do in future also, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay, till now everybody got the clarity. Remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow evening. Tomorrow morning, as usual. Which class? Humanities class. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Stop recording. I think till now.